Hello guys, how you can see in my face, actually I'm very excited. So I'm having a big surprise for you guys. So if you are ready for the surprise, make sure you stay with me as I begin the process till the end. So guys, I have a big surprise. So by the way, I'm just to show you guys something here. I don't know. Okay, you can see something at my back. Actually, I rented this house, this room for now, and I rent it, and this thing is on it. Like actually, that's Muslims things, and so I can't also do anything with it. Actually, it's very nice, of course. Beautiful ladies on it, so it's nice. It's a nice place, and they're having Quran and other things down. So let me just go back small so that you guys can see. And by the way, I'm just arrived from Flanco Trade, so Flanco Computers. So they are so amazing. So I can't wait to share this particular offer with you guys. So guys, I have a surprise for you. So guys, I wanted to record this one with my face, but my phone is not allowing me to do that. But by the way, let's read what is on the level. Let's read it. So let's read what is on the level. You can see here we have Flanco Trading Enterprise. You can see it, and they are having a laptop. They are having a laptop, and when you move down, you can see. So you can see everything. We have Accra head office, Kwame Nkrumah Avenue. We have opposite Rolex Cinema, next to Fidelity Bank. They are having their telephone number, more branches throughout Ghana, hotline. So if you also need computer from Flanco, you can call this number. Home of quality laptops, so that's good. And they're having a QR code. You can scan it here to see what is there. So by the way, let's unbox what we are having inside. So guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So let's remove it. Let's remove it, guys. Let's remove it. Guys, let's remove it. Let's remove it. Guys, I'm so excited because it's like a dream come true. I'm so excited. So okay, so I think we are done. We have removed it that way. You can see they are also having their trademark here. You can see Lenovo, and you can see I think we put it wrongly. So you can see here they are having their batteries and everything. They are having another numbers here, but that one you can't see it that way. And guys, let's remove and see how they package it and everything. It's actually a nice thing. So when you open it, so we have already opened, and actually it's a good package. It's a good package. So guys, because I find it difficult to record it because I'm recording it myself, nobody is there to assist me. That's a problem. So guys, take it easy. So guys, I'm just trying to remove, but I find it difficult. Let me see whether if I do this way, yeah, I can see it. It is now coming out. So let me continue that journey. I hope it doesn't spoil. Okay, so guys, that's how it is packaged. I'm so excited. So you can see that's it. That's how it is packaged, and this is the charger. So this is the charger. You can see it. That's the charger. It's like the lighting is not all that good. Let me turn for you guys. Yeah, now it's better. So this is the charger, and let me show you more like inside the box how it look. This is how it look inside the box. You can see where the laptop lie, and here this is the place that the charger lie. So you can see that's it. Let's forget about this one and focus on this. So that's how they bandage it well, so that when it even fall, you don't see anything. Very white, nice and soft. So they bandage it one side and they bandage it another side. So I've also removed that one. So, and they also put it in a rubber. Like, let's see how we can open it. Guys, I'm so excited, very excited. So they do it this way. So let's remove it. Guys, I'm sorry because I'm using it, I'm recording it myself. So I'm recording it myself, that's a problem. So I've removed it from the package, and these are the user manual. I can't read it for you guys, so if I'm to read it, it will take time. QR code is on it and other things, so I can't read it for you guys. Let's put it somewhere. And this one is now the main thing, the overload. But I was advised that even like if you open it, like when you open it, some of the time you open it and the computer, it's like the laptop itself will be on. That if I see that kind of thing, it's not a fault. So I don't know if I open it this time whether it will be on or not. So let's wait and see. And more today, let's open it and continue with our talk. So they have some white, I don't know, some white paper. Yeah, it has even on. So yeah, it has on. So you can see the time on it, and they are having some white paper. So it was like this before I remove. That is protecting the keyboard from the the screen. So when you remove, you can see the keyboard and everything. So actually that's how it is. Fresh, very fresh, everything is fresh. You can see the cursor moving. So guys, everything is fresh, but the other place I set my password and everything. So guys, let me just bring it this way, actually for privacy purpose, so that I will not be typing the keys and you'll be seeing it on the thing. So guys, I just want to on it and see, like, just to log in. So okay, nice view, I like it. Look at how it look. Everything is fresh, you can see everything is fresh. The interface is fresh, everything very fresh computer, sorry, fresh laptop. It's nice, very nice view. Everything is nice about it. And depend like on the warranty, like I don't know how to say, but they told me about the warranty, like how long, like if it have fault I can bring it back. And they say that the warranty lasts for 6 months. If the computer like develop itself problem, like I'm using it and it's having some issue, I can bring it back. If it break, that one they are not part of it. But if I'm using it and the computer is having issue, for that one I can bring it and they'll change different one for me. So for now I haven't started using it. I don't know whether there will be fault or not, but by now, actually for now, I like it. It's a nice one, of course, and you can see the keyboard very nice, well arranged. That's the QWERTY keyboard, very nice. Actually I don't know how to even use it. I don't know for now, but I'll try. It's a nice laptop. So you guys, you can try it, and if you ever use it, just put in the comment section your recommendation or how it goes. So I know others will be in need of something of this kind. So by the way, I forgot to tell you guys the price. The price was 3,100 Ghana cedis. I don't know how to go with it on dollars, but you can convert it yourself. That's 3,100 Ghana cedis. That's 3,100. That's 3100 on it. And the receipt, let me show you guys the receipt so that you can use it to confirm. So guys, this is the receipt. I don't know, you guys cannot see. You can see my name on it, but it's not that clear. You guys, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's my name. That's my name on it, and the amount is also there somewhere here. I don't know, my thing is not all that clear. That's the problem that I'm facing. So it's not that clear. That's it. And actually, I'm so happy for now because more content is coming on the way. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you find it good, just give it a thumb up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.